That's another bass. For Michael. Man, look at that bass. Show it in front of the camera, Michael.
Yeah! It's mine! This is a really... Hey, now the video, dude? Dude, is it videoing now?
Yeah, it's a video.
I'm not going to take them off. I'm going to have the video on the reel in a minute.
Oh, we done got it, Michael. Just let him go.
Reel in a minute like this.
Look at that. That's Michael's fish.
Another bass. Sis, once you catch fish, bring it down here and show it from the camera.
Yeah, I'm putting this on YouTube.
What?
Putting this on YouTube.
Seriously?
Yeah.
I'm only going to get me myself because I look really hideous today. I look uglier than everybody else here. Oh crap! And so you can top this hairstyle and this outfit, you ain't uglier than nobody. We got something right in that reel. Right there. Right in there. Guess we're hitting the bass hole right there. Something mine just barely reeling.
Michael, your mom wants you.
Barely let it crank it. Barely. See, if you pull it up and down, you know.
Walmart buzz bait. Look at that.
Hey, if you break your buzz bait off, I've got no